Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a talking presentation on Canva. The first thing you want to do once on your Canva dashboard, you can select presentations. After you have done that, you can select the format of the presentation. So for example, if you want a 4x3 presentation or you want a mobile presentation, you can select that. For this example, I will be using the 16:9 ratio presentation. After you have selected it, you will see different editing options on the left-hand menu option. So for example, from here, you will be able to upload text or videos or images if you want by simply tapping on uploads. And also, if you would like to select different elements, you could tap on elements, and from there you can find copyright free images and so on that you can use. And you can also use preset templates from Canva. By tapping on designs, you can see different template options that Canva provides you with. So let's say, for example, I wanted to use one of these templates. Let's say this template right here. All I would need to do is simply tap on it. Then from there, I could tap on apply all pages, or I could select the pages that I would like to apply. For this, I will apply all 15 pages. Now, after you have added your project or your presentation to the timeline, to now do a video presentation or a talking head presentation, better yet, all you will need to do is simply go to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on present. After you have tapped on present, you will see the option right here to present and record, and you're going to simply tap on that. After you have done that, you can see an example of how it will look. So you can see the circle with the talking head. That is how it is going to look. Then you're going to tap on next. After tapping on next, you're going to tap on go to recording studio. Once you have tapped on go to recording studio, you're going to need to grant access to your camera. So you can tap on allow this time, or you can tap on allow on every visit. I'll tap on allow this time. Then after you have tapped on allow this time, you have now granted Canva access to your camera. So you can see right there. Then you can also grant them access to your microphone. Once you have done that, you will see the talking head right there. And if you have a different camera, you can tap on camera. You can also select the microphone that you would like to use. So at the moment, I'm using an external microphone. If you would like to select another microphone, you can do that by selecting the microphone. Once everything is to your liking, so I've selected that microphone, I can tap on start recording right here. After you have tapped on start recording, you will see a countdown timer, and you can now start your talking head presentation. So you can see the circle right there with the talking head, and then I could go through the presentation and I could talk through it. I can also add notes in the top right hand corner, so you could add your own notes right here that won't be visible to anyone else. And once you're finished, you can also pause your presentation if you want, or you could end the recording by tapping on end recording. Once you have tapped on end recording, you can see that it is saving your presentation. And after your presentation has been saved, you will now be able to share it with your viewers or with your boss or whomever you would like to give the presentation to. So all you have to do is wait on it to be saved. Then from here, you can simply tap on copy the link, and you'll be able to share your presentation link. If it is a case that you would like to download the presentation, you could tap on download. And a big advantage of doing presentations on Canva is by sharing this Canva link, anyone will be able to view your presentation, and they don't need to sign in or anything like that. So I'll tap on save and exit, and my presentation has now been saved. And that's it. That's how to create a talking head presentation on Canva. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.